Hi guys, I will tell you skin suture after Achilles tendon repair. I draw pictures only the skin suture over there. It's a proximal part. It's a distal part. It's a proximal part is nylon 30 or 40 in interval. That's approximately 1 centimeter. I'm not sure. Distal one is nylon 40 or 50 interval 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter is about over there, the between the stitches. You should align the crease. You can see the crease. This is crease, Sometimes you can encounter the skin problems after Achilles tendon surgery. Skin problem also can induce skin dehiscency and infection. Be careful to handle the skin, no pinch technique. Poor skin approximation or poor align can be the risk factor of infection. Proximal portion as usual like this. Distal portion nylon 40 or 50 5 millimeter gap, 5 millimeter from each incision margin. Incision margin is here is a 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. This is also 5 millimeters. And always check the crease line. You should keep the balance between devascularization and accurate approximation. I'll show you something. How to decrease devascularization. I miss A, but you should know devascularization zone. Wide gap between each stitches. This wider than this one. You can see. This is a white zone. Is a deep. I mean this is a devascularization. I'm sorry. Devascularization zone here, and shorter gap between points of needle. You can see. This is needle point. This is a vertical matrix suture. This is a gap between the points of needle. The devascularization zone is decreased or is absent over there. Thank you.